The MSc Advanced Performance Football Coaching degree at the University of South Wales is a learner-centred programme that draws on your own knowledge, skills and experience, coupled with the best research evidence available to help us to develop you as individuals working within the coaching profession. At the University of South Wales, we're linked to and run the Football Association of Wales Centre for Football Research. Not only are our degree programmes really practically focused, but we're able to integrate the best research evidence in them to ensure that our learners develop the most recent and up-to-date knowledge associated with performance and coaching. We try to utilise our external partners, certainly the Football Association of Wales, our local clubs, Cardiff City, Swansea City, Newport County, to help learners gain some of the best applied experiences that they can get. It's really important for learners not only to develop their knowledge and understanding of football coaching and performance, but also to be able to apply that in order to ready them for employment.